Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news open and fair availability of information is subject to some wild distortions in two of the world's largest economies. Americans are at their midterm polls in an election that seems to turn on vast amounts of self-interested billionaire money and admitted Russian interference. And for some reason, these influences seem to be working in battleground contests. It seems likely a grim result for proper democracy is about to be rewarded. And again, in the face of the popular vote, gerrymandering wins again. These results and the American CPI data for October, which is due on Friday New Zealand time, are the next big market movers. Their rise in consumer credit was slightly less than anticipated in September, but the miss was minor and indicates a sensible expansion, not anything to be concerned about. For one thing, it rose less than inflation, so it isn't revealing any consumer debt stress. And American retail sales chugged on last week, up 7.6% from the same week a year ago on a same-store basis. In China, they're celebrating reporters and news media loyal to the party. So they too are under the influence of powerful forces, different to the US but still malign. It is difficult to then work out the true state of the Chinese economy. In Australia, the widely watched NAB Business Confidence Survey fell in October, taking it to its lowest reading since December 2021 and leaving it below its long-term average. It comes amid growing concerns over rising interest rates and a gloomy global outlook. And the Westpac Melbourne Institute Index of Consumer Sentiment for Australia fell in November too to its lowest level since April 2020, as those rising interest rates and surging inflation weighed on family finances and the economy. November's reading also remained at contractory levels for the 9th straight month. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at 4.14% and down 7 basis points from this time yesterday. And the price of gold will open today at $1,717 an ounce. That's up a sharpish $39 from this time yesterday. And oil prices start today $2 lower at $90 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is $96.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar will open today at just under 60 US cents and a 3/4 cent gain since this time yesterday. Against the Australian dollar, we've stayed firm at 91.6 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're down marginally to 59.2 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at 69.9 and up 40 basis points from this time yesterday. Get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and that was 90 at 9, brought to you by